What's the song on that damn album? Yo, what's going on, Docs Gang? We are back for another video, and today we are about to do a type beat that I've never done before. And if you haven't guessed by the title already, we're doing a Scorpion type beat or Drake type beat, something that you would hear on his Scorpion album. I don't know why, I have never done a Drake type beat before. I don't know, I just feel like Drake's beats are just very like specific, you know, they're like very technical, but we're gonna try it out. We're gonna see what we can come up with. Scorpion, I listened to the whole thing, it was amazing. In the comments, let me know what you guys thought about Scorpion, because I thought it was dope. The CD 1 and 2, it was fire. Yeah. If you like the video, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to comment on videos I should do in the future in the comment section below. Don't forget to share this with your friends, tell them about Docs Gang, and also don't forget to subscribe. It'd be much appreciated, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a video or a live stream. And yeah, man, we're gonna get into this Drake type beat, and I'll see you on my computer. Peace. Alright, y'all, so we are back on my computer for this Drake type beat. Kind of nervous. Actually, no, I'm not kind of nervous. I don't normally make Drake type beats, but it should be very fun. What I do know about Drake's type of music, he does have some trap elements in it, but like his beats normally, or the beats that he raps on normally, are like soft, more sine wavy, not synth or not saws and shit. So we are going to use Omnisphere to look for sound and see what we can come up with. I also gotta make a melody, so I'm going to whip out Nexus. Man, I can't wait for the comments to be like, this isn't a Drake type beat, it's more of a Southside type beat. Let's use the chord progression. I'm gonna start with chord progression, I don't care. Alright, so here's what the melody's gonna sound like. This is what the raw melody's gonna sound like. Alright, that's what we got so far for the melody. Obviously, the piano is not gonna do it right now. We gotta find another ambient sound, like a ambient bell, of course. And we'll see what we come up with. We'll see, because I'm trying to make this a dope beat. Okay, melody done. Time to find a new sound. Omnisphere, where you at and what you doing? What's your man? Wow, I just messed up those famous Dex lyrics. Let's find this damn sound, man. Oh, it's gotta be a good one. Bell pads. You know, let's find some pads, because like, okay, obviously we gotta use gross beat, because if it's not gross beat, then it's not a type beat. That's my new logo, that's my new slogan. Did you hear that? Wait, let me play it one more time. Let me play it one more time. Oh, it's on. Next sound. Matter of fact, let's go through Nexus. Just why not? You know, Nexus might have some. Alright, you know this beat needs a flute, man. I'm gonna add a flute. Let me add this flute real quick. You know what? I think this will do. Let's add some gross beat to it fast. Yep. Okay, let's add some hi-hats. I'm feeling it now, Mr. Krabs. Let's add a clap. I'm gonna add a clap and layer that with the light snare. We're not gonna use those trap snares. I'm just gonna use nice natural sounds like claps and sticks and stuff. Make that, give it that more of an ambient feel, you know. Let me tune this. Hold on, I gotta tune this 808 real quick. Let's do a quick tutorial on tuning 808s, shall we? Alright, you got your 808 here. Control E to edit, open, and Edison. Press this to get rid of the extra stuff. Highlight everything. Press this thing. Detect pitch regions. D is the note that we want to care about and work. Go over to this thing, piano thing. Right click on D. 808 is tuned. Alright, let's get this 808 melody. Not sound exactly like a Drake type beat, okay? Alright? Hold your f***ing horses, okay? I know, alright? But I did the best I could. I think it sounds dope. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to leave comments in the comment section below on videos that you do in the future. You know how it is. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and turn on post notifications, because you don't want to miss a video or live stream, because I could be reviewing beats, be posting beats, I could be doing anything. So don't forget to stay in touch with that, and also just dropped my MIDI kit. If you downloaded the other sound kit, you should get the MIDI kit in your email. Make sure I send it to everybody. The free MIDI kit is completely free, but if I didn't, I will be posting on my website very, very soon so everybody can get it, okay? But yeah, that's all I have for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you guys, and I'll see you next time.